What's up everyone, welcome back to the channel. This is Sky. If you're new around here, we unbox and review epic random stuff. Today we have a special mystery box from Touch of Modern. This is their 1.0 mystery surprise box. They also have a 2.0 which I did purchase, and I'm also doing a review on that one. This is supposed to be an $80 value for 30 bucks, and inside it's supposed to have 3 of their most sought after items or best selling items, I would assume. So without further ado, let's check it out. Let's see what we have inside. Alright, Touch of Modern, this better be good. Saved $50 on my order. Surprise box. I'm not trying to look at that. I want to see what we actually did receive. Inside here, we have an LED glowy cable. So we're going to give that a try. See how it looks. So it seems it has a lightning and also a micro USB. No USB Type-C, really? Ooh. And then here we have a tack pen. Ooh, I love pen. Then you have 2 wine vouchers. And here we have a tactical soap to go with your tack pen. Bruh. 2 of them actually. And these were the contents of the surprise box. Let's start with the LED glowing cable. Again, I don't see a USB Type-C, which is disappointing. Maybe it lights up really cool. Maybe that's where you get your money. You have your micro USB, you have your lightning, and here you have your regular USB-A. Let's connect this and see how it looks. All right, so that's the LED cable right there. And then once you put something to charge, which I actually had to use my wireless charger, it actually looks pretty cool. Very decent. It's not the most bright. I actually had to turn off most of my lights. Too bad it's not a USB Type-C, so I had to connect it to my wireless charger. Then you have your tack pen. So let's open this up. I'm excited for this one actually. So you have instructions in here. And to go over this pen really quick, it took me a minute just to take a look at it. It's pretty big. You do have a flashlight here. So not the brightest in the world, very small. This paper clip is supposed to be titanium, and here you have a glass breaker. So that's pretty useful, I guess. And then to use the pen, you have to unscrew it, and you have a ballpoint here that you could write with. And then if you unscrew this side, you actually have a blade inside. I mean, let's test out if it's sharp. Somewhat sharp. I mean, just a tiny little blade. Doesn't seem like anything too strong. It's not flimsy, and you can actually unscrew this blade as well. Okay, so I guess a cool little pen that I won't be taking to work. And lastly, we have our Maverick Tactical Soap, because I did not know that soap could be tactical. Bruh. I guess they are. So Maverick, a natural pheromone soap that enhances alpha status, masculinity, attractiveness, and charisma. Tactical soaps are formulated with bioidentical pheromone blends designed to enhance alpha male attitudes that women love and men respect. I'm excited for this. It smells pretty good. I guess I'll be tactical after this. Okay, so that was it for the Touch of Modern surprise mystery box. Touch of Modern, if you're listening, I love shopping with you guys, but tactical pen feels really cheap. LED, glowing light, at least send the USB Type-C. No one uses micro USB anymore, barely any products. And soap that enhances male masculinity, alpha status is not exactly what people are looking for in a surprise box. So was that worth it? I mean, if you put the value together, the tactical pen is about 20 bucks, the cable is about 25 bucks, and the Maverick soap are about 10 bucks each, so you're looking at $65. Supposed to be 80. I mean, yes, you're getting your value for 30, but it's not exactly what people are looking for, or at least not what I'm looking for in terms of a surprise box. I was thinking I'd get something much cooler or something much more useful, or at least updated, let's say. I mean, other than that, I mean, let's hope that the 2.0 is better, because that one is supposed to be $179 value, I believe. So let's check it out in the next review video. If you're new to the channel, feel free to hit that like and subscribe button. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much. It means the world. Remember everyone, be kind to one another.